Hello ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to be making Taco Bell's Mexican pizza here on LCD. I'm going to start off by browning some ground beef. I use a 93% lean, 7% fat ground beef. That's why I add oil to my pan. Because it's so lean, it's got less moisture that's going to come out and it's got less fat that's going to come out, so I don't have to drain it. I'm going to go ahead and brown it till it's nice and crumbly. Taco Bell does have their own seasoning packet in case you didn't know. I'm going to add that in, mix it all up. My son suggested this recipe because it's one of his favorite things from Taco Bell. I had never tried it, so he was the taste tester. He got to eat it for lunch. Alright, you're just going to take a small flour tortilla, add some refried beans on it, add in that meat mixture. Go ahead and put another small flour tortilla on top. And we're going to top that with some red enchilada sauce. Taco Bell does have their own cheese as well. We're using the 7-layer blend. And then we're going to go ahead and top that with some diced tomatoes. You can put this in the oven for about 15 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, or you can microwave it until the cheese is nice and melted. It's up to you. And it's as simple as that, you guys. We got Taco Bell's Mexican pizza.